We are doing chapter number 11 and we are on exercise 11b, and now let's see example number 4. Take away 8x minus 7y plus 8p plus 10q from 10x plus 12y minus 7p plus 9q. Just see the language, children. Take away this expression from this. So take away, when you see it is written take away, it means you have to subtract the first term from the second term. Okay, from the term which is written after from, you have to subtract the given term from that. So again, it's your wish which method you want to apply, whether column method or row method. Here they have used row method. First they have written this expression minus then this expression, clear? And then when you open the first bracket, no sign will change, and when you will open the second bracket, sign will definitely change, and then combine the like terms together, x together, y together, p together and q together, and then solve them. Clear, class? Now let's see question based on this method. Take away this from this. Just now we have read the example of the same kind, so you can do it like that. Again, take away this from this and the result from this. Here you have to do the same thing. You have to do subtraction, but twice. First you have to take this from this, means you have to subtract this from this, and then whatever the result comes, you have to subtract that result from this. Clear, class? Okay, don't be confused. I am doing question number 5, second part for you. Take this from this. So first you write this minus m square plus 3m plus 6, and you have to subtract m square plus m plus 4. I am solving with column method. The example was done by the row method, so I am solving this by column method. First change the sign, plus, so minus plus minus plus minus. Now solve it. Now plus minus minus, 6 minus 4 2, and 6 is greater, so plus sign. Now plus minus minus, 3 minus 1 2m, and 3 is greater, so plus sign will come. Then minus minus plus, so m square 2m square, and sign of minus will come. Now he said that and the result from this, you have to subtract the result from this. So the result is this m square plus m plus 1. Now subtract the result from this. So minus 2m square plus 2m plus 2. Again change the sign, minus minus, and here it is minus, so plus. Now minus plus minus, so 2 minus 1 1, and 2 is greater, so minus sign will come. Now plus minus minus, so 2 minus 1 1m, and 2 is greater, so minus sign will come. And plus 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 2 and 1 3m square. So final answer is this. Only you have to learn how to subtract. The language can change, but the method is same. Again, question number 6. Subtract the sum of this and this from this. Means you have to subtract, this is question number 6, 6y square plus y minus 2. You have to subtract the sum of this and this from 6y square plus y minus 2. Now what will come in this bracket? 5y square plus y minus 3, y square minus 3y plus 7. First you have to add them, and whatever will come after adding them, you have to subtract that from this. Clear, children? Thank you.